In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add link to Snapchat story. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Now go ahead and take a picture for your story, or also you can select any of the picture from your gallery to upload as a story. For this video, I'm going to take a picture. Once you do that, at the right corner, you're going to find the different option of Snapchat. From this list of options, you'll need to click on this link option given over here. Now here, you're going to find this option, type a URL. Go ahead and paste the link over here. Then click on the option go. You'll be directed to the website. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the option attached to Snap. Click on that. With that, the link will be added to your story. Place it anywhere. Then click on the option send to. Now select if you want to upload this story for friends only or you want to set it to public. And click on this icon. With that, you have just added link to your Snapchat story. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.